And Hui, robots, drones, what are some of the technological challenges you face? I mean, if you think about drones, sometimes it's about the size, the weight of the package, the speed, their ability to fly. Talk to us through some of the challenges you face in the development of these technologies.
Yeah. For the logistic network automation, there's many challenges. So including, especially for the last mile part. And especially for the last mile, although it's only maybe the shorter part of the delivery, but it costs more than 50% of the delivery cost. So that's why not only we have the autonomous driving side in the dense urban area, but also the drone part in the more terrain challenging areas. So besides the technical challenge part, we also talk about the regulatory challenge. Actually, JD works with the drone delivery by not only optimize the route to ensure safety, but also we work with the regulatory portions to make sure we have a flight plan already filed to ensure the safety of all the delivery part.
And I guess, as Brian mentions, infrastructure for his industry is difficult, and certainly for some of the technologies you're developing as well. Where can you fly these drones? How do they kind of lift off and land? Where are they doing this from? Is infrastructure, or what kind of infrastructure needs to be put in place for these technologies you're developing to be realized en masse?
Yeah. I think not only just for the infrastructure side, but also the understanding and the collaboration with regulatory agencies. So recently we have some discussions with a number of countries that are interested in drone regulations. So when we discuss that, we find out that some of their concerns is actually not the ones where technologists the primary concerns. For example, they are worried about if drones are approaching restricted area, how they communicate. For manned aircraft, you can communicate with a pilot. But what happens if drones? So that's actually provide opportunities for the technologists to provide solutions that even for unmanned systems, we can address those concerns and challenges. So I think it's a really great idea to communicate with them early on to understand what their concerns and address them from very early stage. So we can build a system that is safe and also can be easily deployed in many areas.